Hey guys, my name is Amit and I'm with my daughter Ahana.
Hello.
So this is our first episode tasting the food in South Africa, different kind of restaurants we are going out and we'll taste the food and we'll give you the feedback how the food is there. To start with, we have come to a restaurant called Strawberry Farm. It's basically strawberry picking farm, but unfortunately we are running out of the season now, so there are no strawberries to pick. So we will taste the food, and they have the fresh juices here from the fresh strawberries. I'll show you the place. This is the place. Look at this around. So beautiful place. Look at this. So nice. So greenery, full of greenery. Wow. So let's check out the food now. So guys, here we are at this restaurant. It's nice, beautiful, scenic place. I'll show you first the beauty around here. Look at this, so green, full of greenery, and that's what I like about South Africa. So much green. Here is my Ahana. Wow. See, so nice, scenic, serenic, everything. So peaceful, so peaceful. So our food has come. This is what I was saying, strawberry and apple waffles. Wow, that looks delicious. It's like waffles, cream, strawberries, apples,
And syrups.
Some golden syrups and whipped cream. Wow.
And cinnamon.
And cinnamon, yeah, I know. Yo,
Wafers. Chocolate.
that's
Whipped
full
cream,
of calories.
Ice cream.
Okay, and here is my vegetarian burger. This is vegetarian
The
patty
bun patty.
with some pickles, tomatoes, and this
Lettuce.
lettuce, yes,
And French fries.
French fries. That looks yummy, huh? Wow, that's very rich.
And the buns, the patties are made out of beans.
Yeah, the patties are made up of beans and
So it's very
sugar
healthy.
beans and all that. It's very healthy. There's no meat.
Okay, so I'm gonna try the waffles. Ooh, crunchy. Looks crunchy. I can taste the ice cream, cinnamon, strawberries, and then the waffles are crunchy on the outside, and inside they're like nice and soft and a little bit crunchy. And then the strawberries and apples, they're like soft and boiled.
That's mouthful.
And whipped cream.
Let me try this. And these are fresh strawberries, guys. This is really
Good.
delicious. Wow, the apple and strawberries with whipped creams and ice creams, cinnamon. It's really adding flavor to it.
My favorite part is the waffle. And the syrup on the waffle. So much things that it's hard to pick up everything.
Wow. And now guys, this is our spicy chicken and pineapple salad. It comes with some fresh cheese. That seems like what cheese?
And tomato, lettuce,
And all that.
cucumber, chicken, capsicum, carrot, all the veggies you want.
Very good. That seems delicious.
Spicy, is it?
Yeah, it's got a touch of peri peri sauce. The chicken is definitely made in peri peri. Look at that, how the weather is done now.
Spicy, but it's not the spicy that you could like. You could eat it.
Here's the burger, Anna. Wow, that's nice. I like this chicken.
Okay. Wait, so the burger has a bun.
It's really very big.
The patty, lettuce, and then the other patty, tomatoes,
Right.
and pickles, and fries. So let's try this. So I can taste the patty is crunchy, and then the tomato sauce is very nice and sweet. So, and then the french fries are nice as well.
So food is really very good, guys.
Yeah,
You must come and try
you
here.
can taste the beans and the potato.
I really like this chicken and pineapple.
Onions are nice as
The
well.
sweetness of pineapple and the chilliness of the chicken is really coming very good all together. It's just giving a nice, wonderful flavor.
And the bun is also good. The patty is very crunchy, and inside you can taste the beans and potato and onion and tomato sauce and everything.
Oh, so much food. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching this. We have to finish this food now. You take care of yourself, and thanks for watching this video again.
Thank
Keep
you.
well.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
We'll enjoy the food as well.
Yeah, bye.